Welcome to Arrays. Store multiple values efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using separate variables for each item makes code messy and hard to handle. How to store many items together. Too many variables clutter code. Cannot loop through items easily. Hard to manage large collections. Arrays group multiple values into one structure for easy access. How is arrays used in the real world? Student grades. Store test scores together. Shopping cart. Hold multiple items. Pixel data. Represent image colors. Arrays powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without arrays? Managing multiple items with separate variables is messy. Look at how messy the code gets. No easy way to iterate. Code duplication increases. Hard to manage many items. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Arrays. Look how clean the code is now. Store multiple values. Easy to iterate. Memory efficient. Compare the difference. And that is why we use arrays. Let's see how to implement arrays in code. Here is the implementation. Declare array. Create integer array size 3. Assign first element. Set index 0 to value 10. Assign second element. Set index 1 to value 20. Assign third element. Set index 2 to value 30. Loop through array. Iterate over all elements. Print element. Display current array value. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. How do you declare an integer array in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is correct syntax. Type array name or type array name. What is the default value for int array elements? Which one is correct? The correct answer is primitive int arrays initialized to 0 by default. What happens when accessing array 5 in a size 5 array? Which one is correct? The correct answer is index 5 is out of bounds. Valid indices 0 to 4. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is nums equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.